convincing at all.
That paper seems okay. Let me go left. I need to look for enamel paint.
All good? We've secured the wood for the boot lining. Spray adhesion.
Carpet spray adhesive.
Liquid, say less.
That is literally what we need, and that's probably the cheapest we've actually seen it. 1 can? What do you think? 1 can, Carl?
Probably.
Yeah.
I think you need more than that, and if you do, you just come back and get more.
Sounds good to me. Work truck. Fabric world. I don't know, I feel like the first one we looked at was pretty... Oh. Well, it's not too thick is the only thing.
Yeah.
Again, we got it.
Ecstatic. £7.50 per metre. Thrilled.
Absolutely thrilled.
Great success.
Get that in the car. Just managed to have a subway. Get the bits of wood needed. A couple of bits of fabric and things. No wood. Garaja. And we're setting up a cutting station to then get ready for the boot lining, which when this man sees the shape of this boot lining, he's going to start tearing up. Because it's not easy what we're about to do. And you've got some tasks to do as well, haven't you? What are you doing? With your mouth full.
I was going to say, I've got my mouth full, come back to me.
We'll come back. Should we clear the things out of there first?
Can do. It doesn't matter.
Just because it is going to be a cavity that we need to be openable, but it's very rarely going to be reached. So, do you want to grab those out? I have no idea what any of it is. Let's play. Pull the junk out of the back of someone's car.
Coilover stuff.
No, that would be Red Zone Assistance Kit.
We'll have a look at what that is in a second. Kyle, hold that for us.
This one greasy.
Whatever in the hell that is, right? That comes out as well.
An old light. Boot light,
Well, there's 2
maybe?
of them.
Boot lights? Don't know.
Maybe.
Interior boot lights, maybe?
Either way, they're coming out, right? Okay.
Yeah.
In the corner.
Yes.
Wiring. Yeah. Like most of the wiring in this car, cut and shut. And that's it. Right. Is that, yeah? Yeah, we're empty. Right, now the fun, now this is where the fun begins. That's fine.
we could just literally just do that cut straight away.
Just do it again one more time. Just
So it's gay.
I'm just gonna do the proper one. I'm going to bleep more shit out.
Yeah, and then let's get that done. Yeah.
Let's go for it. Right. I've built fucking walls, Chris. I've built nations. I parted the Red Sea.
I am like, what's his name? Who was the carpenter? It was
Jesus
like Jesus.
was the
No.
carpenter.
It was Jesus' dad was a carpenter, wasn't he?
God.
No,
Jesus.
like his technically should be a dad, but
Oh, Joseph.
yeah.
You're
Joseph
referring
was
to yourself as Joseph.
Yeah, Joseph
Good
was
start.
was a bit of a. Fuck that.
No, we don't have to.
You're off.
No, we don't have to. Do you want it to go right into that back corner? That triangle, that really, really far corner?
Oh, what,
piece?
like that bit?
That really,
It will
really
sit.
far
It will
bit.
sit on that. bit of metal real nice.
Do you want it to curve around that edge corner?
What, like that?
No, like all the way. And
Oh,
then...
nah. Just do it like that template.
Sweet.
So yeah, just make it that exact same size then, because where it sits gives us enough room for everything else.
Ooh.
Oh.
No, because that goes too
No, because
far.
that goes up the wall. Yes.
That goes too far. So we need to follow like that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lovely bit of drawing.
Hey, my template though.
Any is silver.
Nice.
Really do love this old piece of shit coming apart every 5 seconds. Nah, she's fucking sweet, man.
Yeah.
Take a slither off here. Probably.
The reason I like Makita is because they can get really, really wet and it doesn't really matter. They'll still work.
My mum's car boot.
Oh.
Still needs so much off that.
Remember, we don't want to fit it too snug because we've still got to wrap the material around it as well.
I think it's so we need to take. Ooh. Hello.
Remember, we.
Ow! Two.
Oh, remember, we're gonna cut a chunk off this anyway, so it's not gonna.
So this needs to come in a little bit.
Well, do you
more.
want to cut the excess off this side?
Nah, not really.
No.
Nah, not yet. Let's be pencil.
You fucked it somewhere. Grandpa needs his pencil. Where is it?
We go. Ah, there we are.
Just put it in the front pouch. I did, but then I stopped doing that because it fell out. Gary's gonna come. Let's give you a building site.
We should get back at like 5:15.
Oh, we're fine then. We'll be fucked up
Yeah.
by then.
Hopefully.
Wow. Are you sure?
Have the.
One.
Oh, that's not the one. Yeah, it is.
Now.
Let's have a go.
Need to go under the fuel pump. Yeah, fine.
Oh. We're sitting high at the moment, but that's because we're on top of this little
And
knobby.
we're at a piss.
No, that's because it's sat weird.
Oh. Who designs a boot that has all the runaways just lead to the middle? What if you want to have a picnic in the rain?
Yeah, my Mini does that.
First of all, why are you having a picnic? Second of all, why are you in the rain? Third of all, get back to work.
It's way possible was with getting your danger.
Yeah, it's a good danger.
Towing it. It's about pretty. Very bad.
I do have a bigger one.
It'll do the work.
I do have a bigger one.
Anyway,
Yeah, it's
I actually don't want to.
that's an average
I
one.
will accidentally hit the lights.
You will probably smash a lion.
That's an issue.
This is so exciting.
This is very exciting.
But remember, we need to leave room for fabric to come around each side.
Oh fuck, that's actually pretty good.
Well,
I don't know. So we need to. So the best way, let's do a.
Remember, Carl, we don't want it snug.
I know. Skill with one of these goes up the more beers you drink. I don't know.
Did you say we were going to be home in 5? No, that's what I meant to do. Sure.
And it comes more this way anyway. So it'll be like that. So you have enough room.
It's just so much better already. It's like ridiculous.
And then,
Bit like that.
then we're gonna sand that down. And then doing the back bit. Yay!
So, we've now got these bits of wood cut out. We're gonna fold these bits over the edge, cut an amount of fabric out. We're then gonna fold it round the edges, spray glue the fabric, spray glue the wood, and then we're gonna use staples from a staple gun to secure. Excuse the kitchen, but we're also gonna grab that end and do the same in just a moment.
Oh yeah, Donny.
So now we've got a bit of a more manageable fabric size. We're going to cut the corners just across each way
Should we have stuck
so that
this
it's
down?
easier for us to fold over the tops. Just talking this one.
Pretty good, isn't it? I think that has done the thing we wanted it to do.
Right, now on to the bigger piece. Right, that one there. That one there. And then a diagonal cut and a diagonal cut, I think would be
I'd
the
say
best.
so.
Get as close to the corner as possible.
So we are done with the first two bits, and I am very happy with it. I think they both look really, really good. Sort of, well, from the front. But the back bits, we're going to put some sound deadening on them. That is ordered and coming in like 4 to 6 days or something like that. So that is just going to go sort of on this back bit, and then we're going to put more of this black fabric on top of that, so it'll all be, because this panel is going to lift out, so it'll all be nice to look at. But yeah, very happy with these so far.
It's looking so good so far. Happy. Happy. Look at that happiness.